Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Eddie and this is Forex Clubhouse, where we discuss day trading tips and strategies to keep you profitable on consistent basis. In this video today, I will show you how to trade a double bottom chart pattern and know when to take the entry as the price will reject off that secondary test. This trading strategy is incredibly simple, so I won't need a long video to explain it. I'll just break it down in few minutes as possible. Now let's get deep into the charts. We will be looking at Boom 300 on 1 hour time frame, as I don't recommend using lower time frames such as 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frames, because the levels of support and resistance on those charts are often weak. The higher the time frame, the more significant the levels. The concept is very simple. The higher the time frame, the more significant the levels. When you look for support and resistance levels, you simply draw a horizontal line across multiple intersecting points, taking into account only the areas where the price saw a lot of rejection or support, just like this. So as we take a look at this double bottom chart pattern, a double bottom is a technical chart pattern that can form in both financial markets and synthetic markets. It just typically signals a potential reversal of a downtrend and the start of a new uptrend market. So here is what you need to know about this pattern so that you too can be able to get these movements on such trades on your own in the near future. First, this pattern occurs in a downtrend. The price of the index is in a downtrend, meaning it's consistently failing over time. Afterwards, the price reaches a low point and begins to rebound. However, it can't suppress a certain level known as a resistance level. Then finally, the price falls again, then varies a second time, forming a second bottom that's roughly equal to the first leg. Now on the drop of this second leg, you must mark this level first and see how the retesting candles react on this level. If it breaks through, then no hard feelings, as it just means that this pattern has failed and the downtrend continues. So after marking up this level, what follows? We wait for the rejection of that level. Once we see the rejection candles such as this, we take a long position immediately. So what I did for this case is I set my entry price and stop loss below the bottom of the candle rejection, and we wait for the price to move out while sitting on our hands. To know the take profit target using this pattern is very simple. Just use this tool right here and mark the distance between the bottom and the neckline. Then afterwards, right click for this bar to appear here and clone it like this, as the distance between the bottom and the neckline is the approximate distance that the price will move on to that direction. And guys, by approximate I mean it should be at least 90% of the movement. There may be times where the price may go higher exceeding this point, but don't be greedy. Greedy kills a lot of traders, because nothing pains like seeing all your profit that you made going back to zero. So greed should not interfere with your rules. So that's it, guys. This trading strategy is simple and can be very effective. This is one of the movements I did actually take for this week, and if you want to be seeing this more sooner, you can do that by clicking my Telegram link in the description below. So what if you missed this entry trade? I'm sure you're asking yourself that question right now. Should you panic now that you missed this trade? Well, don't. Just simply don't, because this is an uptrend market now, and we know how the uptrend market moves, and that's clearly not in a straight line. As you can see the formation of higher highs and higher lows, you will definitely have lots of entry opportunities. It's important to note that not all double bottoms lead to a reversal, and other factors should be considered before making any trading decisions. It's also crucial to use risk management strategies when investing in financial markets. Hopefully right now you'll be able to identify these double bottoms on your own when you're trading or when you're analyzing the markets. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn the notification bell icon on. Good luck out there, mates, and happy trading.